One more great thing about this system, Ford systems, everything they do is really good. Onto music, you see there, I'll turn this down, but at the bottom there, the red triangle and the 3 red circles, you can see Ford Transit. If you just click on that, sorry, if for any reason you don't see the Ford Transit with the tick next to it, just click on the red triangle and the 3 red circles, select Ford Transit, we'll go back here, and then you go to the music symbol, and you see there, that's this playing. If you don't see this for any reason, you may have something plugged into the aux there, the aux in, or another device. Just click, see media sources. If there was anything else, you could select it, but it's there's only Bluetooth. So this is playing. I will now turn this up and then turn this up. That's it. Turn it back down, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike from YouTube, which I don't want. And that's it. It's really, really easy to do. Very simple system, very good, especially for a van. Some of the systems these days are far too complicated. This is really good.